With this announcement, the AI industry has been shaken up like never before. Technology pioneer Elon Musk has recently revealed that he is cooking up his own AI company called X.AI. In his words, the goal of X.AI is to understand the true nature of the universe. This advancement stems from Elon Musk's dedication to delivering a secure and dependable AI system that is devoid of any bias to the general public. Having already signed on the open letter that urges AI corporations to stop training AI technology more powerful than GPT-4 for the next 6 months, we can be sure that the release of X.AI is still quite a distance away. That gives us enough time to break down and understand it. Stick around till the end, AI enthusiasts. You don't want to miss this one. Welcome back everyone, it's time for AI. Here I cover the latest news and breakthroughs in the field of artificial intelligence. In this video, I'll be talking about Elon Musk's latest announcements regarding his new AI company, X.AI. Keep watching till the end to understand how this integrates with the X application and also what it means for the AI industry. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you can stay up to date on everything hot in the field of AI. Having always been vocal about his concerns around the safety of AI, it seems that Elon Musk has finally decided to take matters into his own hands, with the aim of challenging major players like Google and Microsoft. Musk has assembled a group of engineers who have previously worked at DeepMind, OpenAI, Google Research, Microsoft Research, Tesla, and the University of Toronto. This is a team that is apparently collectively concerned about the potential dangers of AI, and they share the common goal of developing a safe AI system. In fact, they are accepting applications right now, so if you wish to be a part of this exciting development, wait no longer. This announcement was made by Elon at a Twitter Spaces event, during which he passionately explained his desire and explained in detail his strategy for creating safer, more advanced AI systems compared to the ones available today. Before I explain what exactly X.AI is, I want to know if you've been using the myriad of AI tools available today. Have you used chatgpt or Bard? What has your experience been like with them? Let me know in the comments below. What is X.AI? Elon Musk's aim is to develop an AI system that seeks to understand the nature of the universe and consequently that of humans. We are all aware of the discussion that if AI is not developed and instructed with the safety of humans in mind, the consequences could be destructive. As said by Stephen Hawking, if AI was tasked with devising solutions to bring water to a village, and there is a reservoir of water nearby, even if there was a thriving colony of ants in the water's path, it would not hesitate to pull the trigger. In the same manner, if we fail to prioritize the safety of the human civilization while dealing with AI, the entire human civilization might meet the same fate as that ant colony. By developing this truth-seeking AI system that aims to understand nature, Elon believes that the safety of us and our environment can be preserved. By prioritizing humanity at the heart of X.AI's focus, Musk aims to guarantee that the AI remains in support of humanity rather than being in opposition to us. These developments are closely related with the recently published open letter by the Future of Life Institute titled Pause Giant AI Experiments, an open letter. This letter has over 33,000 signatures as of today, and Elon Musk is one of its signatories. In the letter, the experts were referring to GPT-5, which is widely expected to achieve artificial general intelligence. This is like a software system having a mind of its own, and at this point, the AI model will be able to think for itself and act without the need for human intervention. This is where things begin to get a bit scary, because the AI's goal might not directly align with ours anymore. For instance, if the AI's goal is to solve climate change, and it decides humans need to be eliminated to restore the environment back to its original state, and we have been naive enough to weaponize this AI, then that simply means bye-bye humans. Hence, the letter urges AI corporations and research labs to pause the development of training AI systems more powerful than GPT-4 for at least 6 months while more research is done to study how AI can be made safer. The letter was made public 6 months earlier, in March 2023. That means Elon Musk can now start developing X.AI. Before I introduce the team responsible for creating X.AI, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on amazing updates like these. The X.AI team. Elon will be spearheading X.AI alongside a group of highly intelligent individuals. One prominent figure on his team is Igor Babushkin, who hails from Google's DeepMind and is recognized as one of the foremost pioneers in AI research at Google. Another noteworthy name is Demis Hassabis, who is the CEO of Google DeepMind and has made significant contributions to the field of AI. Google DeepMind is a prominent AI lab that has made several advancements such as AlphaCode and AlphaGo. Hassabis was a driving force behind all these developments, and that is surely a reason why Elon has handpicked him to join the X.AI team. Moving on, we have Manuel Cross, who has been an active member of Google DeepMind, making valuable contributions to the progress of reinforcement learning and artificial intelligence. Next up is Tony Wu, whose focus lies in the development of machines capable of reasoning in a manner similar to humans, with a particular emphasis on mathematical reasoning. Another former Google staff member, part of Elon's team, is Jimmy Ba. Jimmy possesses expertise in deep learning, artificial intelligence, computer vision, and video analysis. His research primarily revolves around creating machines that mimic human-like efficiency and adaptability. The team also consists of researchers from Microsoft and OpenAI, who have worked on the development of GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. As you can see, this is a team of highly skilled researchers and developers who have been directly involved with some of the most revolutionary developments in AI. If this team is anything to go by, we can be sure that X.AI will be highly complex, intelligent, and sophisticated. Let me know in the comments below if you are aware of any of these team members. I'd also love to hear your thoughts on what you think X.AI is going to look like. Why X.AI? Elon has had a shifting stance on OpenAI over the years. Initially in 2015, he co-founded the company with OpenAI's current CEO, Sam Altman. OpenAI was initially established as a non-profit AI lab with the goal of advancing AI technology. To kickstart its efforts, Elon generously invested $100 million with the promise of an additional $1 billion. However, by 2018, he stepped down from the board because the company's direction did not align with his original plans. Additionally, Elon's other company, Tesla, was deeply involved in AI research, leading to potential conflicts of interest. Fast forward a few years, Microsoft made significant investments in OpenAI, facilitating the release of its AI chatbot, ChatGPT. Now, Elon believes that Microsoft wields excessive control over ChatGPT and influences the information it provides. As a result, he aims to level the playing field by developing his own version of the chatbot, one he believes will be more advanced and trustworthy. Although Elon Musk aims to challenge OpenAI and Microsoft, he also appears to hold genuine concerns about the existential risks associated with AI and large language models. In fact, his AI team will receive guidance from Dan Hendricks, who presently holds the position of Director at the Center for AI Safety, indicating Musk's commitment to addressing AI's safety concerns. Another motivation behind Elon's endeavor to develop his own AI is the presence of inherent bias within existing AI models. The issue lies in the fact that current AI models, such as ChatGPT and Google's Bard, often exhibit bias. For instance, ChatGPT may decline to answer certain questions due to the bias, which is a result of the individuals who train these chatbots. This bias hinders them from consistently delivering accurate and unbiased information to users. Elon is calling his own chatbot Truth GPT because it will unfailingly provide responses to user queries that are characterized by the highest degree of truthfulness. X.AI and X-Corp. Now, as you might all know, Elon has acquired Twitter and he plans to develop it into an all-encompassing super app, much like China's WeChat. From what I know, X.AI will exist as an independent entity distinct from X-Corp. However, it will maintain strong connections with Twitter, Tesla, and other companies within Elon's portfolio. Training an AI model necessitates an extensive dataset comprising text, as well as various other data types such as images, audio, and video. Twitter, or X, predominantly operates as a text-based platform, with its database continuously refreshed due to the numerous daily posts made by users. This dynamic makes it an ideal resource for AI model training. For instance, chatgpt was trained on millions of articles from sources like Wikipedia and internet databases. With access to Twitter's extensive database, Elon and x.AI won't need to search for additional data to train their AI model, as it will be readily available at their disposal. Conclusion: if Elon Musk successfully executes his ambitions to create such an AI, it would revolutionize how we engage with artificial intelligence and the accuracy of information supplied by these chatbots. Now, I'd like to pose a question. Do you believe Elon will achieve his objective of constructing a supremely truth-focused AI that seeks to understand the nature of the universe? Or is it merely one of those aspirations destined to remain unrealized? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching It's Time for AI. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll be back again shortly with more AI news.